and we're finally leaving for the wedding.
Oh yeah.
It's just so windy.
Observe the
Bro, look at the mess. We're packing for the wedding. There's just so many clothes and we're like pairing it with jewelry and everything. Everything is a mess. Oh my god, वहाँ पे भी चूड़ी पड़ी है. Hi, it's the 4th of July and we're finally leaving for the wedding. I'm so excited. The wedding is in Hyderabad. It's in Ramoji Film City. The room is still a mess, but we're gonna leave it like that. I'll also show you all in a minute what I'm wearing. I'm still having my dinner. I made red sauce pasta. So yeah, I'll show you guys the suitcases. Also, my dad left like a day before because he had some work over there. So it's just gonna be me, my mom, and my sister who's gonna travel tonight. Also, our train is at 11:40 p.m. It's very late in the night, but we're gonna leave now because we're gonna get a lot of traffic on the way. Those are the suitcases all lined up. That pink one is mine. I'll show you all what I'm wearing. Wait. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a black kurti. It's just very comfortable and cute. So the thing is that the second we reach there, which is going to be next morning around 8:30 a.m., so we are going to go for breakfast and we're going to meet everyone over there. So I just did not want to look shabby. Just put on a very cute, comfortable kurti. And oh yeah, I'll show you this one thing. My video is currently uploading. There's 2 minutes left. I'm just so consistent, y'all. We have reached the station and the car has come to pick us up. We are going to Ramoji Film City. It's about like a 1.5-ish hours car drive. So I'll see you there. Very excited. We have first come to this Jain Mandir for breakfast. So pretty. This is breakfast. Upma, chutney, jalebi, vada and moong dal. That's a Jain thing that we have for breakfast. आप मेरे को बुली कर रहे हो।
मैं तो कुछ सिखा रही हूँ, समझा रही हूँ।
अब पूरी शादी में तेरे को मासी चिढ़ाती थी।
चिढ़ा कर रही, गाइडलाइन दे रही है इतनी फ्री।
ये देखा ना ब्लॉग बने। We've gotten our room. It's so pretty. So what happened was थोड़ा सा confusion हो गया था. We got only one room and this is like a 2 people room. So we were just wondering कि how the 4 of us would even fit. सोच रहे थे ऐसे गद्दा वद्दा लगाना पड़ेगा. But then they came to us and said कि नहीं आपके तो 2 rooms है. तो my sister and I were sharing this room. It's so pretty, bro. I just love the lavender. And now I guess we're just gonna change, shower, get ready because we're very dirty from the train. And we're gonna go for lunch. After that there's a function called as Myra. तो वो मामा का फंक्शन होता है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट्स कॉल्ड इन जनरल, बट हाँ, तो वील गेट रेडी फॉर मायरा बिकॉज हम लोग दूल्हे के साइड से है एंड मामा वाली साइड से ही है, तो ये मेन हमारा फंक्शन है. तो विल जस्ट क्विकली गेट रेडी. द थीम इज़ राजस्थानी टोन्स. तो या That's the outfit I've picked for the Myra function. Rajasthani tone is the theme. So I've picked out a very bright yellow with a very royal pink color. I'm still confused in the bangles whether to wear these. It has a little pastel tones as well. Or to wear these because this has the latkan which I love. But yeah, I'm very excited because this is the first time I'm wearing this Rajputani dress. इसके साथ एक चुन्नी और एक ब्लाउज भी आता है, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear that. I'll just wear it with the sleeveless top. I'll see. I'll show you all the final look. These are the earrings that I'm wearing. It matches exactly with the blouse, but they're very heavy and they hurt. They look so cute though. I feel like I should have gotten a cute necklace also because like the neck is so deep and now it just looks very empty, but it's fine. This or that, this or that. Which one do I wear? Actually, this one or this one? This one, no? Do I wear both in one hand or one in this hand and one in this? I feel like one in this hand and one in this hand. Okay, makeup now. उससे पहले ये दुपट्टा मैं स्टाइल कर पाऊँगी क्या? I don't like this very much. नहीं ना. Wait, I'll style and see. Look who has come. Papa.
ये नहीं तो वो वाली चीज़।
Mom has also come. Mom is also wearing the same thing, sure, but she's wearing it with the blouse. So pretty. It's the same thing, the same outfit that she's also wearing. Hers is so much more prettier.
चाहिए किसको? मेरे को तो नहीं डालूंगा। क्यों भाई तेरे को गले पे कुछ दूँ अच्छा?
Mom just said to put bindi because we're looking very plain compared to her. Give me also one.
अच्छा लगा है मैंने।
हाँ.
कि बहुत गंदा लग रहा है।
नहीं सही है. मेरे भी लगा. Thank you. We are walking to the hotel जहाँ पे फंक्शन है. रामोजी फिल्म सिटी में तारा सितारा करके there are 2 होटल रिसोर्ट्स I mean बाजू में. तो सितारा is the one जहाँ पे सारे functions होने वाले हैं and we're staying in Tara. That is that pretty view that I was showing from my hotel. Let's go. It's just so windy. It's so annoyingly windy over here. I forgot to get my rubber band and my clutcher. So half the time I'm just holding my hair. I don't know what to do. The wedding has some very cute stalls, like they're doing raisin art and jewelry boxes for decoration and stuff. And I got this cute phone charm from there. I'll show you.
स्कूल के वहाँ पे आओ।
Back in the room, oh my god, I was so annoyed at the function because I forgot to take my clip as well as a rubber band, and it was just so windy for like the first 5 minutes. I tried a lot to film, but I just could not. I could not even walk around because this dupatta is just so long. It's just so long, it kept getting in my way, and my ghagra kept getting stuck in my sister's chappals and everything, so I gave up. But over there they were doing these instant printing and framing. We got like 3, like one was a full family picture, one was just my mom and dad, and then one was me and my sister, and that actually turned out very cute. Oh, they've given these screws also for you to be able to frame it. That is just so creative though. Wait, I'll show it properly on the camera. I don't think it's here. And then this one's my mom and dad. This one's the full family. The food was also good, but I could not film it because like by the time I went for lunch, I had tucked my hair inside my blouse and I had my chutney ऐसे wrapped around कैसे भी because I just did not give a shit. So yeah, it was just Indian food like roti, paneer ki sabzi, nothing that great. The starters were good though. The starters were very nice. They had some cheese white sauce in like the pani puri thing that looked so absurd. It tasted also okayish, but that was something very new. I never thought I would be having like an Italian pani puri. And I also got this phone charm that I showed, and I put it on the phone. It was recording. It's very cute. This is. I'll change now, and we're thinking of logging Prime on this TV and watching Mentalist because like the next function is at night, so there's a lot of time for that. And usme I'm gonna make sure I carry like some 2 clips, 2 rubber bands because I just got very annoyed. My chashma is in my mom's purse, and that is in their room, and my parents are still attending the function. But ठीक है मैं पास में बैठ के देख लूँगी. I really want my chashma. I feel very weird without it. It's logged in and Mentalist is on. Bro, we're like really addicted to the show. Like every second of the day, I'm just thinking about when I'll be able to sit down and just watch. So हमने login तो कर लिया. Were we on episode 16, season 3? I don't know. I don't remember the last one we watched together. So we're just gonna watch Mentalist now. एकदम lights off करके. I'm thinking of making myself a black coffee. है ना? Yeah, black coffee sounds good, and we're just gonna sit and watch the Mentalist till my parents come so that I can take my specs and then continue watching Mentalist.
Must I justify my every action? Please observe the ritual.
We've come to the hall. It was like a kilometer ka drive, so the cars dropped us. But it's looking so pretty. There's DJ and everything tonight because it's Sangeet. I'm very excited to see all the dance performances. And then we're also gonna go dance on the stage at the night. So it's like a very late night party kind of thing. Ooh, lighting is good. I'll give you a fit check. The stage and the decor is so classy. I love these black chairs. Just look at that. That's so pretty. So glittery, the table. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm just looking at this, bro. What the hell? This vibe is so cool.